Nickelodeon version of this slime. It's interesting. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Alright guys, so today I am going to be getting these crazy art Nickelodeon slimes. It's like a collaboration between both of them, but I am just going to call it by one so I don't have to say it like both names. So if I either say Nickelodeon glue or crazy art glue, I just mean these, okay guys? Okay. Anyway, so they came out with these really cool glues. We got green, purple, blue, and pink, and they're gallons, and they actually have like a different texture. They're not just colorful, they have different textures, and I like them a lot, and they're really cool, and I like to prank people with them. So I was like, you know what, why don't we try these glues with like normal recipes? So what I mean by that is like fluffy slime, butter slime, fishbowl slime, and thick slime. I wanted to try that, so yeah. And yeah, I am really excited, so let's just hurry this up. And today's like what challenge gonna be, you guys comment down below if you guys like ELMERS colored glues more or Nickelodeon's colored glues more. I think I like Nickelodeon's colored glue more because for ELMERS, I just like the normal clear glue because it's so thick. And then for these ones, they have like a really cool texture and they have like cool colors, so I'm gonna have to say I like these ones better for the coloring. And it comes in gallons and it's really nice for throwing on people. You guys comment down below your opinion on it, and then you press the like button, and let's get straight on into the video. What yo? What we're gonna do, guys, is a fluffy slime. I actually tried these all out on a different video. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know this, but like the crazy art clear glue, you can actually activate that with like baking soda. So you can either do it with baking soda or with shaving cream, which I think it has baking soda, or with like baking soda toothpaste or a facial wash that has baking soda. So you can like activate it. So if you guys have some crazy art clear glue, or if you have it at the store, you can activate it with some baking soda, and if you're not allowed to get like bars or something. And basically why I'm saying this, guys, is because I found out that these actually activate with just, you know, baking soda too. So I'm gonna do it with this green glue. If you guys want to see how they are in just general with just like activator, you can check out my video. But anyways, I know I have a lot of glitter here and I just did a different video. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm pretty sure you can. It involved glitter. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is actually too much because it takes a lot of shaving cream to activate it. Shake, wait, shake, shake, shake. Okay. By the way, guys, bring it back up. By the way, if your shaving cream is all like, if it's like, you know,
liquid, Ameerah.
If it's liquid, thank you, Paul. If it's all liquid, it's not fluffy. I had thought that they were bad, and I actually threw away a lot of shaving creams. Really, all you have to do is just shake it for a while, and for like maybe a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and it should fix it right up. So I just wanted to say that before people throw away their shaving creams. This one is from the dollar store because I have not gotten any shaving cream in such a long time. But anyways, let's mix that all together. So it's gonna take a lot of shaving cream. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's already starting to activate, and it just amazes me every single time when it activates with just shaving cream. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like kind of clumping up. Well guys, this isn't working too well for me. It's because of how much glue I put. I put too much on accident.
Got you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, we're gonna put some more shaving cream. If it's not working, then just add more shaving cream, guys. By the way, Paul, are you ever gonna make slime with me in the Slimeatory? Huh? Why? How about this? What if you get 10,000 subscribers on your channel? Then you have to do a video with me.
I mean, I guess.
Yeah, you have to make slime with me. If you guys want Paul to make slime with me in the Slimeatory, you guys make sure to subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link for it in the description down below. And until he gets to 10,000 subscribers, he has to, right, Paul? You have to.
Yeah, but it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, it will happen. So as you guys can see, it takes a lot of shaving cream. That's why you should only put like, if you just want like a small batch of fluffy slime, you should just only put like a little bit of glue because it takes a lot. This will also work with like the foamy facial wash, I think, that a lot of people use for like bubblegum slime, you know? It'll also work with that. You guys want to see some cringy ASMR? Okay, we're gonna put that away for some iceberg slime. Yes. Okay, so here is the Nickelodeon version of this slime. It's interesting. It's not really any different. I kind of feel like the regular white glue one is better though. Well, no, this one is really good too. Like, it's super fluffy. I don't know, guys. I guess I like it. You guys comment down if you guys like the fluffy slime or you don't like it at all. And let's get on to the next one. Oopsies. Next one I do, guys, is butter butter slime. I'm gonna be putting some Daiso clay in it. And by the way, if you guys don't know how to make a butter slime, it is just Daiso K. You can get that online. D-A-I-S-O. Just helping you guys out because I had no idea for the longest time. My fork fell. Okay, so first you're gonna get some glue. I'm using purple. There we go. I'm just gonna put that much because since you're adding a block of clay, it's gonna like get big. By the way, guys, this glue is like halfway clear, halfway like white, like halfway transparent, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. Okay, this is taking a very long time. Guys, actually, the different colors, they have like different textures. It's kind of funny. Okay, here's the slime, guys. It's just like a clear slime, basically. Okay, let's go ahead and add the clay. Okay, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna explode, guys? I think it's gonna explode.
I think it's super satisfying.
Okay. Yeah, it is very satisfying. Either way, this looks really, really pretty because it's kind of like getting a lavender texture. I meant color. Okay, almost done, guys. Look at how nice that is. Here is the slime, guys. Very, very nice. Basically a normal butter slime. It's not like the stretchiest though, but it's very firm. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion into it because sometimes you add a little bit of lotion into butter slime. I win. Okay, that's a lot better, guys. This one is really nice, guys. This is so nice, guys. Oh my god. Okay, well, I guess that is it for this one. I cannot stop playing with it though. It is so freaking soft and oh my god. And it looks like ice cream and it's so light. So you guys, if you want to make some slime with crazy art, some butter slime with this one, go ahead. It is so nice. And it's so beautiful. Make the purple one. It is so gorgeous. It's like lavender. But I really, really like this one. You guys comment down below your opinions. And let's get on to the next one. Bye. Next I'm gonna do, guys, is a thick slime. I'm gonna attempt to do a thick slime. Usually you do it with like white glue and clear glue occasionally. But since we only have this glue, I'm gonna attempt to do it with cornstarch and lotion. And let's do this. For this one, I am gonna use pink glue. So here's some pink glue. Ooh, I love the color of this pink one. Oh, I like all of them. Okay, I'm gonna add some lotion. And then some cornstarch. I think that should be Gucci. And let's see what happens.
It's gonna make slime if you put activator.
Well, maybe you should make some slime with me if you know so much. Okay, well, I feel like it might need a little bit more cornstarch, but I think it should be good like this. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna activate it. Almost done, guys. And the texture so far seems pretty good, so I'm excited for this. It doesn't really have like a thick slime texture though. I think that's because it doesn't have any white glue, but it has a really cool texture still. Here's the slime, guys. It's not very thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not very thick. Maybe if I like wait a little bit, you know, like let the bubbles go out and let it set a little bit. But it's not really thick. It's kind of just like a normal slime. It is very soft though, and I feel like it would do very wonderful for like a base butter slime. So we put some clay in this, it would be amazing. But I guess that's it for this one. Let me just do some ASMR though. Okay, that's it for this one. You guys comment down below how you think it is, and I'm pretty sure I failed at the thick slime. Next one is a fishbowl. I'm excited for this one because I really like fishbowl and I really like the texture of this. So let's go. So we're gonna put some in there. I'm gonna do it halfway because the fishbowl like really makes it bigger. Okay, let's activate it. Here's the slime, guys. It's a bit sticky, by the way, because we're gonna be adding fishbowl in there. So let's see if it will work. So I'm gonna put the fishbowl in here. I think that should be good. Now let's go ahead and drip it in there. Like, I'm really excited for this one, guys. Look how nice. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more. This is really nice. You see, I didn't know this was gonna be good or not because of the texture of the glue. I thought it might be like, it wouldn't stick in or something, or it wouldn't go long, but it actually went, it's really nice, guys. Like, it sticks in very well. Like, look at that. Trying to make that little fishbowl thing that they do. I can never make it. I've never been able to make it, but I want to try. Okay, I'm gonna add some glitter, some white glitter, and some blue glitter. This Recollection guy, by the way, I love it. Oh my god. And then some of this glitter I just got from Target and I am in love with. This is so pretty. Okay, well, I could not wait until this clears up. It is gorgeous. It is just gonna be amazing when it clears up, guys. Can you guys guess what time it is, though? It is slime smoothie time! Okay, we'll just take like that much of this one. Here we go. This is like the leftovers of the shaving cream one. Here's the fluffy slime. Here's what it turned into. It turned like really nice, like it's super jiggly. And then we have the butter slime, guys. Oh my god, look at that. It is so nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, well that's what that turned into. I don't really like it. The texture is not very nice and it's very rippy. I don't know why. Okay, well I guess that is it for today, guys. You guys comment down below if you guys want to do a part 2. I could do like cloud cream. Whoa. I could do some cloud cream. Cloud cream would be really cool. Maybe some jiggly slime. And I'm not sure, candle slime? You guys comment down below what you want me to do. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much. And I really hope I see you next time. Bye.